This is Windswept. It is a beautiful indie platformer and its camera tracking is an absolute masterclass. Just look at how the lens effortlessly traces the character. It is buttery smooth. But when most of us start out in Godot, we just drop a camera node into our character, fix the zoom, and that's it. This creates what I call rigid mount paradox. The camera tracks every single pixel of your jump. It acts like a GoPro strapped tightly to character's head, and honestly, it causes instant visual motion sickness. To copy that professional, effortless camera tracking you see in Windswept, you have to decouple the lens from the spine. You don't need a massive custom script to do this. You don't need to code anything. You just need to open the camera to the inspector panel and activate exactly 4 specific built-in tools. First one is the position smoothing. Turn on the position smoothing and this stops the camera from rigidly locking into the player. Tweak the smoothing speed down to about 4 to 5. Now, instead of snapping violently, the camera accelerates smoothly to catch up the player. The real secret to a polished platformer camera is the dead zone. By turning on drag margins, we create an invisible gimbal box around the character. The camera will completely ignore minor movements until the player pushes against this invisible box. I set my top and bottom margins to 0.4. This massive vertical buffer absorbs all the jumping and falling. Let us set the left and right margins 0.2. So the camera tracks quickly when I run forward. Finally, the universal resolution lock. I zoomed my camera out to 0.5 to expose more of the puzzle. But to stop the engine from stretching or warping my pixel art on different monitors, go to the project settings, set stretch mode to canvas items and stretch aspect to keep. This forces Godot to render the pure pixel art first. And if the monitor is too wide, it adds cinematic black bars instead of squashing the game. Combine these settings and you have a perfect first-class camera tracking in minutes. You don't need to be a math genius to build systems like this. You just need to understand what the tools actually do. We went from nauseating rigid camera to a cinematic observer just by checking a few boxes. I'm documenting this entire indie development journey from absolute zero, breaking down every mechanics, failures, and fix as I build my dream game. If you want the blueprint for how to solve these problems without wasting hours of your time, hit that follow button, keep supporting, and I will see you in the next one.